Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having amazing day. And so these are the products which I'm going to talk about in this video, so stay tuned if you are just like me, a skincare junkie, because no matter what, skincare is what you need always. Today I'm gonna talk about amazing product which I use for my skincare, to give an honest and true review so that you guys also buy this product, and not a sponsored video. So let's get started. But before going further, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. Instagram link is already in the description box. Make sure you open up and check it out. So these products are amazing just because both of them, a men and a woman, can use this product on their face. So I'm talking about face wash, toner, which is a mist, and a cream. Complete cleansing, toning, moisturizing routine which from the brand called Pilgrim. You have to get your hands on this one because it is paraben free, it is sulfate free, and it is cruelty free, which means these products I have not ever tried on animals, which is a plus point from my side because I don't like those products which are first tested on animals. Just like me, I have acne prone skin. Right now it is not showing up because from past few days it has lessened up a bit, but I have very sensitive and acne prone skin. I used to get breakouts from any product out. So first I'm going to show you the face wash which I'm using, and this is how the color of the face wash looks like. It is pretty much red in color because it has red wine in it, and it has small little particles to it which feels like you are scrubbing your face, or you don't need any scrub if you are applying this face wash because we don't apply face scrubs daily. So I have tried this product on my skin. It is completely safe. I can completely bet on it. So this is red wine face wash with vitamin C and aloe. If you don't know what red wine does, it is a complete magic to your skin. Red wine is really good for anti-aging, and it also helps in collagen enhancement, you can say. Next, I'm going to talk about the toner. Has include niacinamide and aloe vera again. Niacinamide is really good for acne scars. If you have acne scars on your face, then this toner is really good for your face. This face cream includes vitamin C and rosehip oil. Rosehip oil helps in anti-aging and collagen enhancement. For that you don't need any sunscreen if you're applying this cream on your face. I believe the SPF 30 is more than enough for a day, and these products come into these cardboard like packaging, and this is how the face wash looks like, this is how the toner looks like, and this is how the cream looks like. I really like the packaging of the cream because it is very sturdy and very luxurious. This kind of packaging I have seen in O3 products. I have O3 cream as well in my vanity, and this one and O3 one looks pretty much similar. So this is a plus point from my side, and this is how it looks like. First you have to remove the cap, and again it has this kind of protection underneath. So this is how the cream looks like. It is baby pink in color, which is really attractive to see. When it comes to fragrance, the fragrance of these products is absolutely stunning. It smells like rose, and on the same side it smells like really fruity, which I can say it has fruity and floral mixed kind of smell to it, which makes you feel really fresh in the morning, which is again. And when I talk about the texture, When I spray this toner on my face, it feels very very fresh. You can also use this face toner to dampen your beauty sponge, or you can also use once you're done with the makeup. Once I'm done my makeup, I'm gonna spray some splash of water. So today I'm using this face toner on my face. Just a little, not too much, because it will wet your skin too much. Then dab the sponge on your face. You're done. As you can see, I have applied this cream on my face and it feels like very very supple. It feels butter on your skin. It is completely absorbed into the skin, which is amazing because most of the creams are heavily textured, so they don't get absorbed really quickly. It has done its job perfectly. So which means it is light textured cream with SPF. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this mini review of these products, which will give this video a big like, and also subscribe so that you won't miss out any in the near future. And yeah, that's